In this video, the Bitcoin price is right now coiling up for a massive, monumental move. And I'm going to show you the exact bullish target. And I'm also going to show you the exact bearish target. And I'm going to show you exactly how we can make money off of this by trading the breakout over on Bybit. And if you want to sign up to Bybit like everyone else here, just click this link down below. You can get this $600 bonus if you use this voucher code. And huge news, Goldman Sachs are entering the Bitcoin space. This is potentially huge for Bitcoin. And guys, don't forget to leave a thumbs up down below if you enjoy these free trade signals and videos. And what about Ethereum? Well, I'm going to go into the chart here and I'm going to show you my next big Ethereum trade. You don't want to miss out on this huge opportunity coming in the next few hours or days. And if you think that that sounds interesting, then I think you should definitely video. Hello guys and welcome to the moon. My name is Carl and I'm going to bring you this cryptocurrency video. And before I take a look at the Bitcoin price, I just want to give a big shout out to everyone who shorted based on my video yesterday and who took profit exactly here at our target. Congratulations. And if you want to get all of these trade signals here for free, just subscribe to my channel. But before I go into that, I just want to zoom out a little bit on the bigger time frame, because we can see that on the 4 hour here, we are forming a very clear big horizontal triangle here for Bitcoin. And obviously there is going to be a big breakout at some point here. Before the 24th of January, we will see a breakout. So that is within 10 days, we are going to see the Bitcoin price choose either to go up or to go down. And this can be a next big trading opportunity, obviously. Now, let me just quickly show you the target. The bullish target, if we were to break to the upside, is all the way up here actually at $49,680 approximately. So basically very close to 50,000. And if we were to break to the downside, the target should be approximately $23,296. So this is a massive move waiting to happen. And remember that we do have this head and shoulders pattern, which is lining up with this neckline. So this neckline basically is the support of this horizontal triangle. So a big breakout is coming. And obviously I don't expect this breakout to happen today necessarily, but when it happens, we will be able to make fantastic gains here by making a long position if we break to the upside. For example, let's say you go over to Bybit and you put in a long position, you can make up to 30% here. And the stop loss can be like 1 or 2%. So 30% with 10x leverage on Bybit, that could be 300%. So that's a huge amount of gains you can make by longing this if we break to the upside. And the same is, of course, to the downside. If we were to break to the downside, if we target 26,000 or 23,000 approximately, you can see that's also approximately 30% short. And everyone who's following my channel here in the past few days, you have seen that we can make money not only when Bitcoin goes up, but also when Bitcoin goes down. We shorted Bitcoin perfectly together right here. We also perfectly shorted Bitcoin right there. And we did make a few other short positions here in the past few weeks. And if you also want to short and long Bitcoin over on Bybit, where everyone else is trading currently, just go down below this video and claim this $600 bonus on Bybit by clicking this link and using this voucher code. And remember, if you want to sign up to Bybit from the United States, you need a VPN, and I have the link to NordVPN down below. Alright, but what about the more short term here? Well, look at this. Bitcoin actually broke out of this falling wedge exactly as we predicted. Obviously, I didn't predict the direction. That never is the case. I never tell you it's going to go up or it's going to go down. There is no technical analyst in the world that can tell you this. But I did tell you, however, if we break the support here, then we should make a short position from these levels all the way down to 35.5 thousand. This is the video where I talked about this trade. Don't miss this massive Bitcoin trade. In fact, let me show you a short clip from this prediction and this trade signal that I gave you guys. This was a risk-reward scenario of 4% against 1%. Now, if we were to break to the downside, which is obviously possible, maybe slightly less likely, but still possible. Now, if we do break to the downside, where is the most logical place to take profits at this short? Personally, I think that we should target the $35.5 thousand level because of some obvious previous support and resistance back here. Now, going back to the chart, we can see that here is the short signal and 35.5 is right here. We perfectly met the target exactly as predicted. Big congratulations to all of you who made money from this. And guys, the comment section down below is completely exploding of profits. Bradley made $200 from this signal. Kenneth made $300 from this signal. Juan says that I'm making more millionaires than college. And this guy here made 30% on this trade. And this guy made $400 on this trade. And what else? We have this guy made 100% gains on this trade. And Charles made 160% on this short call. And Scott here made 0.62 Bitcoin on this signal. And Peter made $112 on this short. And I can go on and on and on and on. And honestly, you can see here that, I mean, we're talking about hundreds and hundreds of these comments from you guys who made money from shorting Bitcoin based on my signal. I'm so happy about that. Big shout out to you guys. And if you're wondering where people are shorting Bitcoin, they are doing that over on Bybit, because Bybit is the best exchange. And you get $600 bonus if you click this link below the video. All right, so where is Bitcoin going now in the immediate short term? Well, I did show you this bigger symmetrical triangle. Let me actually pull this out on this chart as well. And well, it wouldn't be very far-fetched to assume that Bitcoin might be coming down for a retest of the support here. This would be approximately $33.4 thousand. But personally, I don't expect this to happen unless we break this this support box, this green support box at 35,500. So basically, if we break this green support box, then in my opinion, we're most likely going to come down here to $33,000. This could be yet another short position we can talk about here. Let me just show you. So if we put this like here, if we break this support, we are most likely coming down here. This could be like a 6% trade approximately. We want to make sure that we get a confirmed breakdown with volume, and yeah. But personally, like I said, I think that as long as we're above this green box, we're most likely going to see a bounce. And let me show you a small short-term trade we could possibly make to the upside here. If we do get a bounce, let me just zoom in a little bit here on the 15-minute chart. We can see that Bitcoin is forming this potential double bottom or W pattern. And the way we can trade this is basically just we take this line and just put it like this. We can see we have a neckline. And if we break this neckline, then I think we could easily see something like this, a pop up here. And this could be a long position up to approximately $39,600. We do have some previous resistance up here. I would say that I would be targeting $39,100 instead. That's my target, $39,100 if we break the neckline here. So let me show you this long position we can do over on Bybit. Let me show you here. We do put in a stop loss, of course, as always. And we target 39,100 approximately. So this would be like a 4.5% trade against the 1% risk, and this could be our next big trade setup, guys. And like I said, I'm so happy to see all of you guys making crazy profits by following my short and long signals here. We've been making insane gains here from these signals. Basically all of them have been profitable. I think we had maybe one that was not profitable in the past few weeks here, but most of them have completely exploded exactly to our targets. And I'm gonna take a quick look at Ethereum also. But first I want to show you this poll by IMF. They ask, are digital currencies really money? And very interestingly, 80% of everyone said yes. So I guess in your face, IMF. That was just a funny thing. And next up I want to show you this, that the US dollar M1 money supply is going completely parabolic. I believe that hyperinflation is definitely coming. It's imminent, and I believe that Bitcoin will explode. Look at this. This is the M1 money stock, and ever since the beginning of this big Corona period, we've seen a massive amount of currency printing. This is obviously bad news for the world economy. It's bad news for the US dollar and all fiat money in the world, but it's amazing news for crypto holders and specifically Bitcoin holders, because Bitcoin cannot get inflated, and I think people will realize this more and more. And next up, this is massive news. Goldman Sachs, they are entering Bitcoin. Yes, you heard this right. Goldman Sachs are entering Bitcoin. They will be offering custody. So it's happening, guys. It seems like banks, they are right now giving up. They are realizing that Bitcoin is here to stay. They cannot do anything about it. And if you cannot beat them, you have to just join them. Goldman Sachs are not the first ones to get into this custody thing. We did see Fidelity Investments. They are already in this space. I think that the fact that Goldman Sachs is joining now will just further legitimize Bitcoin towards other banks, but also towards institutions and even retail investors. And I think that we're going to see more and more of this very, very soon. This is incredible news, guys. Not because we like Goldman Sachs at all. We hate Goldman Sachs. They are the enemy. But seeing the enemy coming in here and trying to get a piece of the pie just proves that Bitcoin is revolutionary, and they know that they cannot stop it. So they have to join it, because we know that banks love to make money, and now they want to try to make money off of Bitcoin because they are smart in a sense, right? They might be evil, but they are smart, and they know that Bitcoin will be a massive opportunity for them. And what about Ethereum? Well, Ethereum is still above this critical support at $1,130. And a big shout out to everyone who took my previous 2 Ethereum signals. The first signal was right here. I told you guys to get in here and take profits up here. A perfect executed trade. And the other signal was a short signal where we sold right here. We sold short and we took profits right down here. And this was a smaller trade, but still a profitable short position. And congratulations to everyone who took these 2 trades. You remember this rectangle, and we basically had a long opportunity and a short opportunity, and we perfectly hit the short target here. Now, if Ethereum breaks back above this previous support, we could easily see Ethereum pop up back here. I don't think I have like a perfect target for this, but I think we're easily going to come up and retest this level. So that could be a position up to $1,239 here. So actually, maybe this could be a small short-term position here. I would target probably 1,237. Obviously, a stop loss as always, like 1% maybe. So this could be a small, short-term, quick little play if we break this neckline or this support rather, or resistance at $1,185. And as I showed you yesterday, we do have this support line here, very important. If Ethereum breaks this support line, then I think that we're most likely going to see a waterfall drop down here somewhere. And I don't know the exact target in that case, but if we just take a quick look at some previous support, then I think we can easily see that Ethereum has a lot of significance right down here at $920 approximately. So this could be a short position we could entertain. So if we break the green box and this yellow upper trending line, then this could be our next big short for Ethereum. Put in a stop loss and we target these levels. Let's say $940. That would be a 16% dump here. And remember, Ethereum against the US dollar, you can trade this over on Bybit. If you want to short Ethereum against the US dollar, you can trade with leverage on Bybit. Just sign up with my link down below and get a bonus. And yeah, join the party of massive profits, guys. And if you want to learn how to trade Bitcoin and Ethereum profitably, you need to watch my famous and amazing Bybit tutorial right there, right now. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.